Good morning, everyone. I'm Fong, the Food and Beverage Manager at ANIBT Hotel. Today, I want to talk about something that is vital to our workplace: diversity and inclusion. At ANIBT Hotel, we embrace diversity as a core value, ensuring that every team member feel respected, valued, and empowered. However, recent feedback has shown that we need to reinforce our awareness and practice regarding inclusivity. This presentation will cover the benefit and challenge of workplace diversity, how we can be role model for an inclusive work environment. ANIBT Hotel commitment to fostering diversity. Partial race staff can demonstrate inclusivity in their daily roles. The first point, benefits and challenge of workplace diversity. Diversity in the workplace provides significant advantages such as enhanced teamwork and creativity. In this point, have some different perspective foster innovation and creative problem solving. The second point, improve guest experience. A culturally diverse team can better understand and cater to the needs of guests from all backgrounds. The third point is stronger company reputation. ANIBT Hotel is recognized as a welcoming and inclusive employer, attracting both talent and guests. The last point is increased adaptability. A diversity team brings different experience and ideas, allowing us to be more flexible in a dynamic industry. However, we also recognize the challenge that come with a diverse workforce. The first point, is cultural misunderstanding. Differences in custom or equity may lead to misinterpretation or conflict. The second point is language barriers. Effective communication can sometimes be difficult when team members speak different first language. The first point is resiliency to change. Some employees may struggle to adapt to new ways of working in a diverse environment. The second main point is become a role model for diversity. As food and beverage professionals, our behavior set the tone for workplace inclusivity. Here, how we can lead by example. The first point is respect difference. The second point is encourage collaboration. The third point is address discrimination or exclusion. The fourth point is practice active listening. The last point is lead with empathy. Number 3 is ANIBT Hotel commitment to diversity. At ANIBT Hotel, diversity is not just a policy. It is an essential part of who we are. Our commitments include: the first point is provide equal opportunities for all employees, regardless of gender, ethnicity, or background. The second point is promoting leadership diversity. We strive to increase gender and cultural diversity in management and senior positions. The third point is focus on ability, not disability. We ensure that hiring and promotion are based on skill, talent, and performance. The fourth point is ongoing training and development. Employees receive regular training on inclusivity, cultural awareness, and teamwork. The last point is encourage a workplace free from discrimination and bias. We have policy in place to prevent harassment and promote equality. Number 4 is what diversity means to ANIPT Hotel and how we can demonstrate it. At ANIPT Hotel, diversity means embracing and respecting the unique qualities that each person brings to the team. Here are some practical ways we can demonstrate this every day. The first point is use inclusive language. Avoid and incentive remarks. The second point is celebrate cultural diversity. Participate in events that promote awareness and appreciation of different culture. The first point is respect college leads. Some employees may have special religious, dietary, or personal preference. Be mindful, and supportive. The third point is support professional growth. Encourage colleagues from diverse backgrounds to take on new challenges and leadership roles. The last point is be open to feedback. Learn from each other's experience and perspective to improve team's performance. Number 5 is the role of communication in diversity. Effective communication is essential for fostering inclusivity. Here, how we can improve integration within a diverse team. The first one is active listening. Pay attention and acknowledge different viewpoints. The second one is clear and simple language. When language barriers exist, use clear and direct communication to avoid misunderstanding. The first one is encourage dialogue. Provide opportunities for open discussion about cultural differences and inclusivity. The last one is provide language supportively. Translator or multilingual team member can help bridge communication gaps. In conclusion, diversity is not a challenge, it is an asset. By embracing diversity, we create a more inclusive, productive, and welcoming workplace. As members of the food and beverage teams, we each have a role to play in ensuring that ANIPT Hotel remains a place where everyone feels valued, included, and supported. Thank you for your time, and let's work together to build a workplace that truly reflects the value of inclusivity and respect. Thank you.